Welcome back, everybody, to Project COVID 1953. Give you a little update of everything that's been going on, which has been quite a bit. I ended up painting the body, painted it blue and silver, and went ahead and mounted the doors, mounted the fenders, and then that way I could outline the scallops on there. So I outlined the scallops, painted them, pinstriped those, and then re-cleared all of the blue of the car of the main body as well as the doors and fenders to get that done. Also the dash, which I painted previously, went ahead and wet sanded and buffed that. Wanted to do that long before I put the windshield in, just to give me better access in there as far as working a buffer goes. So some paint milestones done, and stay tuned, there's more to come.